Hey everybody, it's Corbin here from Superior Exterior. So today we've done a big clean in Linden Park for Roger here. We've cleaned a whole lot of cream pavers. They were really black, really mouldy. We've done a pretty good job, but we just want to get Roger's thoughts.
Well, look, I got a couple of quotes. One was a cheaper quote, but I saw that how professional Corbin went about showing the type of work he does and what work is involved, and I can say that I made the right choice. Corbin and his team were punctual. They were here at the time that they said that they would. They've been working diligently throughout the day, kept me up to date with what they were doing. And I've got to say, I've got pavers here that have been laid for 20 years, and I never thought I'd see the day that they would end up almost the way that they were when they were virtually first laid. So from my experience, I could not recommend Corbin and his team more highly. It's been a wonderful experience, and the most important part is that the wife is pleased, and happy wife, happy life.
It was a really good clean, really happy to have met Roger, worked with him and helped transform his property. His daughter's got an engagement party coming up soon, so that was the reason for the clean, get everything looking nice for her important day, so we're happy that we could assist you.
I've already sent to my daughter a couple of photos and she is absolutely over the moon.
Thanks guys.
Thank you.